So woke up this morning and started driving to the trailhead, and there's already frost on the ground, guys. Look at this. It's frozen. So there is frost in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Good Lord. So this trail, this part of the 1889 trail has been a shared use trail. So these guys are out having a good time on the ATVs. Right. Meanwhile, I'm propped up against like this horse corral. It's kind of taking a break. It was a good spot to kick back. Honestly, it's probably one of the best sitting spots on trails I've seen in a while. Drying out my jacket. I got a little sweaty this morning, so I didn't take a good video of it, but it was cold this morning. I did show the frost, but I was wrapped up. I had my scarf on and around, and I have gloves on. So I was pretty cold, and doing that I got a little sweaty. So I'm just trying to dry out a little bit before I keep hiking. I'm not too far from my next stop anyways. I'm about 3 miles in, north of the Sugar Shack on some ATV trails. Kind of chilling out near the horse corrals. So I started on trail at about 7:30 this morning. I did get breakfast at 7, so it was a little after 7 o'clock. And there was still frost on the ground, and I was pretty cold and miserable. But within the first 2 hours of really just pushing through, I almost didn't do it, but this is one of those times where you just gotta, like, not every day is easy, right? So today was a not easy day. But finally, 2 hours later at 9 o'clock, 9:30, it's 9:30 now, it's starting to warm up. I was able to take my jacket off. Feeling a little better about it. Probably should be able to get some better miles today. Something I was not expecting to see on trail, an RV. That's interesting. I mean, there's plenty of room over here too. I'm not sure exactly how he got in. Some way. But that's out here in the middle of nowhere. So not far down from where I passed the RV, we came across a cooler. And I mean, I just had to look. I'm not too close to fishing ground, so I wasn't too worried about it being like rotten fish. And sure enough, Uncrustables, and they're cold. Talk about a blessing. I don't know if it fell off the back of somebody's thing. I don't know, but thank you for it. I took an Uncrustable. I owe you one, whoever it was. All right, it's 11:30 on Saturday. Day 4, I think. I forgot. It might be day 5 at this point. But as you can see, I'm 20 miles from Deadwood, not going that way. I'm going 8 miles to the Dalton campground. I'm just north of Nemo, staying on the Centennial Trail. And let's get some more miles. So we're just north of Nemo, headed towards Dalton campground. Apparently there's a Wonderland cave on this route. Don't know that I'll stop, just trying to knock out this trail, but making way, putting on miles. So there's a bunch of ATV guys, they're lost, trying to figure out how to read a map. bunch of people out here.
Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, sir. Probably some rentals. They all look the same.
Rapid.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So we're up above Nemo, South Dakota, which is in a little valley over there to the left. And this is just a pretty little valley shot. There's some cows down there in the bottom. Pretty little shot. Some pretty views. So here you can see where ATVs are coming through, and what's happening is they're knocking sideways and hitting their roof right into that tree. They're gonna destroy that poor tree. Goodness. So I've popped out at Dalton Lake Campground. Pretty little place. But the problem is there's no signal. So I can't call my shuttle. But I think we're gonna camp here tonight. It's super pretty. This is where I'm ending my journey for the day. Alright, so I met some new friends, Miss Lisa and Mr. Polly. They gave me a ride. There's no signal out here. You guys are gonna be on YouTube. So they're giving me a nice little shuttle ride to go get some signal, and then we'll part ways and I'll find my truck or call Charlie from there. So thank you, Miss Lisa and Mr. Polly. Between a boy and man.
There you go.
Somewhere out in northern Michigan. Well, that was an unexpected turn of events. Got a little hitchhike up the dirt road from some ATVers, some all-terrainers, Mr. Polly and Miss Lisa. That was nice of them and their gang. And so now I'm still just walking down the road because there's no signal here. and gonna call Charlie when I can. So see if we hop another ATV ride, maybe, we'll see. Doing a little hitchhiking. Doing a little road walking. Trying to go backwards for the first time. Trying to go back towards my truck. I'm not too far from the town of Nemo. There's a little store there and a restaurant. I'll probably sit there and wait on my buddy Charlie to come get me. But it's a good day. I got everything I need. I have water. I have beef jerky. I have gummy bears. I've got a space ice cream. I'm okay. Got plenty of time left in the day. Charlie knows where I'm at. He's on the way. Just doing a little part of winging it. This was some unplanned, unscripted. Just going for it, having a good day. Letting the day happen. So I'm coming into Nemo. Trump 2024, take America back. And this is a big ATV rental, small town, and horseback riding, as you can tell. And there's a restaurant here and a general store. So I'm gonna wait on my ride here. But I had to walk backwards today and do a little extra mileage. So there's a guest ranch store here at this camp. It's like a horse camp area. This is in Nemo. And there's a general store across the way with a bar and a pizzeria, and they had everything you need. I just don't want pizza. So we're gonna try the Brandon Iron restaurant. And it's back here. I'll see what we get for dinner.